To my vlog or to my channel. It's been a long time since I last posted a vlog or video. Hindi ko na nga tanda kung kailan yun. But here I am again and again trying to vlog my whole life. And gusto ko na din kasing seryosoin tong pagbablog since third year na ako, biyahing third year na. And I want to take my vlogger journey seriously. So, update of my life, yun nga, biyahing third year na, and tomorrow, enrollment, and I'm trying to pack my things again kasi we're going to move back sa dorm. Iniisip ko kung ngayon ako magpapak ng gamit or tomorrow na lang after enrollment para damang-dama ko na alis na ulit ako sa hometown. So, I'm back here sa dorm and ayos ko na yung mga gamit ko na iba. But yung mga damit ay hindi pa kasi sobrang dami niya and nahihirapan akong i-organize. Later, we're going to grocery, some things, errands, etc. etc. Now, I'm going to linis ulit. Nakapaglinis na naman ako pero maglilinis ulit ako. And so freaking tired. Kabila na po kaming grocery.
Parang ang ganda ng bigas sa gawin.
Good morning everyone. It's the first day of school. I've got 10 minutes. It's the time. It's 4:37. Kasi hindi ako sanay ng full fat na stomach in the early morning. So I'm just going to have milk and some wafers. Anyways, parang gusto nagising. Ang lamig ng tubig sa umaga. Yun ang masasabi ko. It's so cold. So, hindi ko akong pantay yung eyeliner ko. But I'm just using this JMCY eyeliner. Gel eyeliner. Soft gel eyeliner. So we're just going to do a light makeup. Not the heavy one. So that means it's only blush and lippy. Hindi ko pala alam. Basta no foundation. No foundation, concealer, the skincare, and blush and lip. Dito pa lahat ng katas nangyari noong second year. I have everything done.
Ibukbuk yun.
Kumusot ang aking necklace.
Pang chupa.
So, nakatula ako lang. Asa ang bago nito? Saan ang bago? Ay, okay, time check. It's 6:49 and medyo maaga pa siya for 7:30 AM class. But the thing is, ang first class ko is sa 4th floor and wala siyang elevator. Yeah, sa Hamlet. And I don't know kung alis na ako. But for now, I'm going to wait for kasabay. Later, what's in my bag as a college student? And let's go.
Sabi ko nga, hindi ko pa rin sasabi sa inyo yung
Pa-shout
YouTube
out
channel.
naman dyan.
Camera?
Bonfire.
Wow, may ganyan na siya. Ano, para bang magandang tingnan. Eh, wala pang...
Tapos na kami sa first class and going to the second class sa kabilang ibayo. But ang dilim ng aking camera. Okay, now let's go. Another walking day.
Nakainit naman ang paglalakad din. Hindi ta.
Hindi pula sa puti.
Natalo kasi kami, te. Natalo, maliit lang na. Bukay, sense.
Nang ilagay mga ganyan.
Wow, we have an egg.
tinanggap at alam ko na ako ang gagawin next na president.
Course, ayun, hindi.
Sus, wala ay, live kasi yun na nangyayari. Sabi ko, hindi pwede. Alam mo,
Kasi stop.
Hanap mo ate mo? Oo, may picture yan kanina. Mag-picture yan kayo. May isa kain po tayo tingnan. Sinilalap ko sa kanya. Aba naman.
So, kauwi ko lang from UNIV and right now, hindi naman nakakapagod ang first day kasi there is no class. But we have an organization booth na i-represent namin sa mga first year and that is what makes me tired today. Ang pagod. So, as you guys know, I'm member of a theater organization in our university. So, inayos namin siya kanina and we presented to the first year na gusto sumali. And right now, I am going to make my curriculum vitae and I think there's still one more for our theater course or subject for tomorrow. And wala pa rin ako nagagawa up until now. Kasi nga, if you guys don't know pala, I know you don't know, sira po yung laptop ko, nasira yung LCD and I don't have any gadgets kundi phone ko lang, so hindi ako makakapag-vlog while doing my CV and other requirements.
Hotdog. 15. Ay, hindi ko alam.
25 ba?
20.
Hi guys. We're now here sa barbecue.
mo yun.
Yung andin. Yung andin. Tagal mo.
Kailangan mo din ba ng ano?
Maliit na ano? Okay. So, dadating ko lang from the sponty date with Ella. Kasi, super na-stress ako dun sa interview sa application in theater subject namin. So, I decided to have a sponty date with her. Actually, it's supposed to be with Kuya Olan pero nag-alis na siya. But for now, let's do what's in my bag as a college student. My water bottle, it's already, hindi naman siya sira. Ruben lang yung labas niya. Para kasi siyang pintura lang, so natatanggal yung color. And actually, here in Lukban, sobrang ulan, pero mainit, so bali needed. Of course, wallet, konti na lang ang laman. I have my first pencil case which is blue pero wala. Since it's rainy, like what I said, I badly needed this. Of course, yellow pad and paper holder. Actually, hindi pa talaga buo yung buong gamit. Hindi pa buo yung gamit ko, hindi pa siya ganun ka-complete. So, ngayong third year kasi, hindi na ako parang masyadong magsusulat or etc. Mali ang yellow pad and ballpen na lang ako. And of course, lapis. I'm thinking about having a separate video of what's in my bag as a college student.
So, snippet lang ngayon. So, that's one guys. Bye.